Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Clickman, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today's video is going to be brought to you by The Cut. It's the button series, and this one is titled Blindfolded Dates Reject Each Other. I think these dates are really funny. Obviously, you're blindfolded, you can't see each other, so what people use to like figure out if they would want somebody or be further interested in them is pretty funny to me. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on post notifications and drop a like. Let me know what you think about these dates, if you know you would X some of these people or if you would have continued, because you know some of the things that they say, as I said, to pass on people is just really funny to me. I guess it's a quick short time that you have, so you don't really have much to go by, so it's just really interested on how things work. As per usual, man, we're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Astrology at all, or?
Yes.
Oh, for
Astrology.
Sure. My ex was really into it.
Okay.
It really tore us apart.
Was that a joke?
Nope.
Welcome
That's
to
that's
the
a button
Button
click.
Speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all
Oh, it's
expenses
10
paid
minutes, okay.
second date.
Pretty good. I'm Alex.
Alex, my name's Megan.
So,
Alex looks kind of old. Like he has gray hair, right? Kind of looks like way older than she is. I'm getting like mixed signals about how old he might be.
My job, I have a couple jobs right now. I'm a barista.
Okay, hard
and
worker, I like
also
that.
work at a spa.
Would you say you're naughty or nice?
I would say I'm nice.
Do you like nice boys?
Sound like a
I
nice
think
person.
there has to be a good mix. Like, I think it has
Listen
to
to
start
her.
really nice.
Oh my God! Why is she shaking like that?
Awkward.
Very awkward. Okay,
Why did you reject me?
Just not the vibe. You seem really sweet. I
bro. Why did he ask her so? Why did you reject me? Like, what is
would
wrong
like
with
hang
this
out with
guy?
you, but it doesn't
You wouldn't hang out with him. Stop lying.
feel like a date vibe to me. Hi
Hello.
there. How's it going?
You know, I was doing pretty good. Now I'm blindfolded.
Yeah. Does it make you nervous to be blindfolded?
Yeah, the last time that I experienced something like this was
Oh God, here we go.
training for scuba diving.
Oh,
Is
okay.
that like something you do for like work or just fun?
Just fun.
So you can't see each other.
No.
Say something sexy.
I think your voice is pretty sexy.
Oh, thank you.
You can also hold hands.
I'm comfortable with whatever.
Sure.
There we go.
Hey, what's your name?
My name's Brian. What's your name?
Brian. I'm Megan.
Megan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Make
you.
the
So
style.
tell me a little bit about you.
I'm a barista, and then for fun, I read a lot, and I have a lot of houseplants, and
Fun.
I go out with friends.
That's
Megan,
like,
what happened with your hand?
it's hard to get.
I was worried that he was gonna hit it, so I wanted to hit it first.
Well, I haven't even been able to learn much.
Brian, do you like
Brian, please
naughty girls?
click that button.
Who doesn't? I suppose the next question would be, are you a naughty girl?
Absolutely. I used the mistletoe
Bro, click
native
the button.
deodorant today.
If both parties consent, I dare you to kiss each other.
Okay, sure.
Where are you?
I'm standing over the button.
Okay, I'm standing too.
Oh God. All right, let's keep it moving. Brian, you still need to hit that button.
Wow.
Nice. That was nice.
Alright, this is going well, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
The last challenge, can you take your blindfolds off?
Most nerve-wracking part. You're gonna hate what you see.
Oh my god, you're gorgeous.
Is this the type of person you normally would date?
Honestly, no.
Why?
And here's the part where people are like, you know, 'cause I guess because we don't practice this in society to like, you know, say no and be able to not be mean about it, or everything is seen as being mean. Like I can tell he's struggling.
I don't know. Like even
Stop lying. You
even
know.
with looks, I don't have a type, and
Bro, I said you should have clicked
what
the
did I
button.
do?
Honestly, I feel like it's because
You're
I'm
not
mean.
attracted to him. She's not attracted.
No, that's the vibe I got.
Not a problem with me. You are a good kisser though.
Thank you. So are you.
You thought he was saying he was not attracted to you?
Yeah, that's what she thought.
it's been pretty common in my experience. You talk with someone for a while, and
So then why would you go on a blindfolded date?
then when they see me in person, they're like, "Oh, actually, I don't know if I'm feeling it." That was the vibe I got. Hi,
Hey,
Kinda
how you
dumb for
doing?
me.
good.
My name is Nahom. What's your name?
I'm Megan.
What's your sign?
I'm an Aries. Oh.
I'm
I'm
dead.
so sorry. I can't. This
Why?
Aries, I had bad experience, and I'm so sorry.
I feel like people lie and just pick anything because the guy probably went back and told him what she looked like and whatever.
Was the button even red?
Yes.
How did he know?
My name is Somto.
Santo.
Okay, you guys both have
what's your
similar
name?
names.
Nahum.
Nahum, where are you from?
Tigray. It's the northern part of Ethiopia.
Oh, okay.
Cool. I'm Nigerian.
Niger. Okay. Niger babes. Huh?
So, you both are blindfolded.
Yeah.
What other senses can we explore?
I guess touch. Do you
Touch,
wanna
smell.
hold hands? Hi.
Hi.
My boy says smell.
What does the
You
other
get into it.
person smell like?
Can you smell it? No.
Oh, you smell good.
Do you think he smells naughty or nice?
I
What?
think he smells naughty, and I like that.
Do you like naughty boys?
Yes.
How much money do you make? Say it on the count of three.
Wait,
One,
hold. Oh,
two,
wait.
three.
I'm broke.
I
Why are
Uh-huh.
humans so afraid to talk about money?
feel like this is the first date. We should be talking
Who
about
knows?
what's your favorite color and like shit like that. What is your
Basic.
It's royal purple and all gold.
Royal purple.
There's gonna be wedding colors. That
Oh,
should be
this
cool.
guy said the
Talk
Lakers.
about marriage?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Listen, you paired the two Africans in the room together.
Oh shit.
Red yet?
Click, bro.
Uh-oh. Nahum beat you to it.
No!
Why?
Well, I know why. 'Cause I brought up marriage.
Yeah.
You can't take a joke, you little
It's not funny.
To be
Oh,
honest, I
whoa.
didn't understand her humor, so I didn't know if it was a joke or not.
You don't like funny women?
Oh, okay.
I do, but that didn't make me
No,
laugh.
you don't.
Okay.
What's your name? My name is Nahum. I'm reaching out over here. I'm trying to shake your hand.
Oh, hi.
Pleasure. Nice to meet you.
Nahum's biggest fear is that he won't be able to reproduce children.
That's a
Your
big
end
fear.
or my end?
My end.
His testicles.
Oh my god.
How do you feel about if a partner doesn't want children?
I can't.
That's like a
Yeah.
deal breaker for you.
Yeah, that's deal breaker. How about you?
For me
You
too.
want kids?
At least one.
I don't know if I want kids.
Bro!
She
Why are you so
beat to
slow?
it.
That's cool.
Sorry. but
She's gonna
also
get a
I
lot
hope
of
that
buzz-
You do have them.
Oh, yeah,
button.
I will. Trust
She's
me.
gonna get a lot of button
I
pressed
will.
against her if she says the kids thing.
I'm Amy.
I'm John.
Very rare that you find
So
guys
I
that don't
roller
want
skate.
kids, I think.
And I also dabbling into shooting film.
Okay.
Oh, you're in film.
I have a few film cameras, and I like to like go to places around the city. I love to like explore abandoned.
That's cool, that's
buildings.
cool.
That's crazy because I'm in film too.
Oh shit! What do you do?
I'm an actor.
You're an actor.
Ah.
Okay.
I do TV and film. Yeah, that's
Oh,
crazy.
cool.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oh, wow.
I just feel like the actor thing. I've dated people who've modeled in the past, and they were pretty like self-involved.
No, I get it.
Generalization.
Yeah. Nope, all good.
Button, have you tried the native deodorant yet?
I have. I'm covered in it.
Smells like a lump of coal to me. Hi,
Hi.
I'm Amy.
Hi, I'm Matt.
Matt has a deal breaker.
Cool.
It's people with kids from multiple fathers.
Why is that a deal breaker for you?
Because he doesn't like it.
Kid.
No, I don't have a kid. I have no
It just seems like a lot of bag.
God, I'm such a.
Yeah, you are.
Hi.
Oh, you what?
Hi, Amy. Annika, how old are you?
I'm 23.
Okay. Sorry, Annika.
No, that's okay.
My name is.
Yeah.
Hi, David.
I'm from Georgia.
Oh,
She
cool.
knows that you're shorter than her.
It's different, but it's cool. I'm liking it.
Seems like a friend.
Uh-oh.
It's friend vibe.
Yeah, I knew she was gonna say that.
Pretty good. What have you been up to recently?
AJ, you got your hands really close to me. What are you doing?
Uh-uh.
Just showing you some love.
Oh.
Don't kill me. She about to press the button
Okay.
immediately.
Ooh, can I ask you something? Are you the type of person when you're in the shower, do you wash your legs?
What?
Because like some people just think that the soap just like drips down.
What a
That's
question.
weird. How do you face in the shower? What way are you facing?
My back towards the nozzle. Normally I have to wash.
He's
my
gonna press the
hair,
button.
So
You normally have to wash your hair? Why don't you always have to wash your hair?
it's not gonna
Oh,
wash your hair
shit.
every day.
Are you like big into astrology at all, or?
Yes.
Oh, for sure. My ex was really into it.
Okay.
Really, tore us apart.
Button, button, button.
Was that a joke?
Yeah, Taurus is a sign.
Oh, button. Bro, why are you guys
Why the
letting
hell
this
you
girl
rejecting
beat you?
me?
That was the worst joke I have ever heard.
Okay, give me one of your jokes, Amy. Let's hear a good one.
Not putting me on the spot.
Turn red again.
Stop.
Don't kill
I
me.
mean, okay, I'm more of a wit person.
Oh, wait.
So
Okay,
I'm
Woody.
not like a I'll tell you like a knock knock
That
joke. type of
Taurus
person.
joke wasn't witty?
It was
very
so
funny.
lame.
We
It's
had
like
a
you,
wit.
It's like you were back there.
My nigga, the date is done.
Like, thinking
Leave.
of it for like 10 minutes.
I'm a lot smarter.
I'm
than
sorry.
That, you know what I'm saying? Smarter than that.
Okay. I don't like your joke. I'm sorry.
This was an honor.
Yes.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, you
Looks
don't
like
get to
both
see.
leave. I think we didn't have any matches this round.
Yeah, like,
Too many
this girl
naughty,
failed.
Not enough nice. Humans.
Honestly, it seemed like that girl, she literally just came there for attention, because there's no way everybody you see, or she has like some little, maybe she's insecure, or she just scared to get rejected, so she's just rejecting everybody first. Who knows, man? But it was still funny. Let me know what you guys think about it, man. I'll see you guys later. Peace.